In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in Google Form after submission. First, open Google Forms in your browser and sign in with your Google account. You'll land on your Forms homepage where you can see everything you've created recently. If you don't see your form right away, use the search bar at the top or switch to the Recent tab so it surfaces to the top. Once you spot the form you want to use, click it to open the editor. With the form open, look to the top right for the Send button. This is where you'll get the link your respondents will use. Click Send, then choose the link icon to generate the responder link. You can shorten it if you prefer a cleaner URL. Click Copy to put that link on your clipboard. This link is the one you'll distribute so people can fill out your form. Now share that link with your teammates or audience in whatever channel you use, email, chat, a document, or your website. Everyone should use the same link. Google Forms will handle collecting each individual response for you. After they submit the form, respondents will land on the standard confirmation screen. This is the perfect moment to direct them to a next step, like a resource page, a file, or a scheduling link, so they don't have to wait for a follow-up message. To make sure they see the right URL, place it where it's hard to miss. Head back to the form editor and add your link in the question section so it appears at the end of the form. A simple way to do this is to edit the last question or add a brief closing prompt and use the description field to paste the URL. Google Forms will automatically make full web addresses clickable, so include the complete link starting with HTTP or HTTPS. Label it clearly, for example, after you submit, click this link to access your download. You can also create a final section titled Next Steps and put the link in that section's description. Because it's visible right before the submit button, respondents will know exactly where to click as soon as they finish. Before you share widely, use the preview button to test the experience from a respondent's point of view. Fill in sample answers, submit, and confirm that your link is easy to find and opens correctly. Small clarity tweaks, like bold, concise wording in the description and a short, readable URL, go a long way in reducing confusion and ensuring a smooth flow right after submission.